Right guys, just a quick review of the Profit Factory by Edwin Mick and Samuel Chima. Now, I've known Edwin for a number of years now, and I've seen him coming up through the ranks, and this is his product. Easily make 231.72 per day with simple profit factories. No list, no techie stuff, no experience. Now, I can assure you he's actually getting these results. Me and Edwin have been in touch for quite a few years now, and he's a really nice guy, and he's got into the product launching game, and he's doing really well. And this is what the product is about, how to launch products. Now, before you switch off, I can tell you this is not about the full-blown launches where you have to get hundreds of JVs on board and kiss people's asses to hope that they'll mail out for you. Anything like that. It's nothing like that. It's a lot simpler, and it's how I actually started. This is exactly how I started making my first decent money online. And let me just show you inside the members area. Now, yes, it's about launching products, but it's not complicated, alright? Now, they go through the overview of what's happening, how to do it, and then they go into how every step of setting up your products. Now, before I go into that, I want to show you what I did. I want to show you my very first product, in fact. And here, I had to think quite. I had to think. I had a little think if I should actually show you, because it was my very first product, and it wasn't very good. However, having said that, it just shows you that anything can work, because this is on the Warrior Forum. I just launched it on the Warrior Forum. I didn't have any connections, I didn't know anybody, just had a product, put a page together, some really bad copy and a buy button, and I made sales. Now first I'll go over the copy. It looks like look, this was posted in 2010. Okay, so 8 years ago, and they've obviously changed something in their coding since then, because there's these strange characters popping up. But this was basically all it was. I sold a squeeze page. Okay. It was ridiculous. A video squeeze page, right? And now I had the video. I outsourced the video. Now I wouldn't even bother outsource. The video was crap. It was just. I remember the video. It was awful, but it just had some music and some text, and it wasn't brilliant. And the squeeze page. I'm giving myself a break. It was 8 years ago. The squeeze page was pretty good. Not that I'd use it now. So basically, a squeeze page with a video stuck on it. What I did with the copy, I found a similar product, and this is a good technique to do. Find a similar product to yours, and basically pick out the bits that you like about their sales copy, and then reword it yourself and to fit your product. Okay, works like gangbusters. They have deleted the sales video since then. Blah blah blah. And this is what else he got with it as a bonus. It's ridiculous. 5 autoresponders, spun articles, 5-page video squeeze, 1 PLR ebook, 2,390 research key. Yeah, cost of research. I know, well, whatever. And so that was it. That was my product. Now let's get that was my very first product. As cringeworthy as it is, you have to start somewhere, and that is the point I'm trying to make. Start somewhere. Do not try to go for perfection, because you will still, in 3 years' time, 4 years' time, you'll still be sat there going, "Oh, I am going to launch my products, but I just need to do this." Just get something out there, and it gets a lot easier from then on. Let me show you. Okay, so this is my very first product, an acne video squeeze page, right? So for one, I'm limiting my market. It's very niche down. I don't think there's a massive demand for acne video squeeze pages. Okay, but I still did 23 sales. My very first product. Now 23 sales doesn't sound a lot, but look, it cost me nothing to do. All this was free. I did all this free. The video squeeze. The only thing I think I outsourced the video. I think that was it. I probably outsourced the articles actually, which you can get 500 word articles. You can get done for about $3 or $4 each, which is nothing. Okay. So 23 sales, and it generated $227. So for the very first product, that's not to be sniffed at, I don't think. As bad as it is, I mean, I know a lot more. I've learned a lot more since then. But you just got to get off. You just got to put something out there, okay? And this was my second product. All right. Again, basically, I sold keyword lists and some software. Now this keyword. I can't remember what the software actually did. It was, I think it was some PLR software I got, and just bunged it on, and people basically, as soon as you put software out or anything, it improves the value of what you give it. But look, 124 sales. Now I think I was on some damn sale for like that lasted like several months, and look, $384. But look at me, 120. That's 124 buyers added to me. So this is my second product. Now the third product, offline site flip. Basically, it was how I sold a website to my local pub that I'm still drinking now, and I shared how I charged them £100 UK pounds, which not showing dollars, that would be I think about $130, $140. I charge £100 to get listed on Google, which is free. In the Google search maps. So again, it's more specialised. But it did 26 sales and but it cost me nothing to put together, absolutely nothing. All right, so and I'm just starting off and just finding my feet, and then things got better from then on. So this is exactly how I started. And this is exactly how Edwin started, and it's how a lot of the top marketers online, product launches started. Okay, so just follow the training and just get something out there. There's not, it doesn't have to, you don't have to, people have this, it's all in your head. People think they have to have some massive, genius, unique plan that nobody's thought. It's nothing like that. Have you sent an email out that's got a good open rate? Brilliant. Tell us how you did it. That's product right there. Have you run some traffic to an offer and made sales? Brilliant. There's a product right there. It can be anything you like. You know, you don't have to. you don't have to be showing people how to make £20,000 a month, $20,000, whatever. It's a mindset thing, and Edwin goes through every stage. And what I like about what he does, we've got the first module, idea generation. He gives you homework. You actually get homework to do. In the second module, more homework to do. So he's basically forcing you to come up with these ideas. And the third module is like, we're starting to create your product. It's not as complicated as people make out. So I highly recommend the training. Check out my bonuses below. One of the bonuses is I generated over $35,000 doing the product launch, and how I actually did basically very little. Several people who have watched that have actually gone on and actually created their own products and are not looking back. So just because it's a bonus, don't think it's not worth anything. Take action, and you won't regret it. Honestly, building a buyer's list is the best thing you can do for your business. Hand on heart, you won't look back. A buyer's list is the best list you can have. It's what can take you out of working a 9 to 5 job. Right, there are some upsells, but I haven't had access to them. I'll leave all the details for the OTAs below, but without the OTAs, this product stands on its own. I highly recommend everybody follows this seriously and just get something out there. It's not as complicated as people. It's a head thing. Get it out of your head. You can put some stuff out. Anybody can put this stuff out there, and you can do very well out of it. Okay, so highly recommend it. Enjoy your bonuses, enjoy the training, and if you need any help with anything or any advice on how to do this, either contact Edwin or myself, and we'll gladly help you get your first product out there. Okay.